What is pharmaceutical industry? The pharmaceutical industry or medicine industry is the commercial industry that discovers, develops, produces, and markets drugs or pharmaceutical drugs for use as different types of medicine and medications. Pharmaceutical companies may deal in generic or brand medications and medical devices. They are subject to a variety of laws and regulations that govern the patenting, testing, safety, efficacy, and marketing of drugs. Welcome to SM Investor. Be smart in life. The basic idea behind SM Investor is to help people in achieving financial freedom and investment education for a passive income source. You know the need of investor, you need someone who simply does more than what is asked for. And we as an expert not only extract the correct and reliable data as per your requirement but also provide you the best detailed information. If you like our contents, feel free to subscribe. Here is a list of pharmaceutical industry companies' shares. Shares which has given very good returns in the market as compared to other companies within a period of time. So let's discuss. Kaplan Point Laboratories Limited. Kaplan Point was established in 1990 to manufacture a range of ointments, creams and other external applications. The company was listed in 1994 following its IPO, which was oversubscribed 117 times, the proceeds of which were deployed in setting up a manufacturing facility at Pondicherry. The company focused on the emerging markets of Latin America, Caribbean, Francophone and Southern Africa and is today one of the leading suppliers of pharmaceuticals in these regions, with over 2,000 product licenses across the globe. The company is entering into the regulated markets for injectables through its state-of-the-art manufacturing plant, capable of handling liquid injectables in vials, ampoules, lyophilized vials and ophthalmic dosages. The facility is approved by US FDA, EU GMP, ANVISA Brazil and INVIMA Colombia. Kaplan Point has over 2,000 products licenses across the globe with a further 300 in the pipeline for emerging markets. Kaplan Point has made a foray into the regulated markets with its latest manufacturing facility that is already approved by EU GMP and ANVISA Brazil.
The shareholding in the company. Its promoter holds 69% shares in the company. Non-financial institutions holds 24% shares in the company. Foreign investment institutions hold 6% shares in the company. And remaining by others. Dividend history. In the year 2015 dividend declared at 50%. In the year 2016 dividend declared at 60%. In the year 2017 dividend declared at 75%. Share price valuation of the company. Below 257 attractive. Between 467 to 564 fair. Above 778 expensive.
Returns on investment. Suppose if you had invested in the company Rupees 1 lakh 6 months ago. Value of your investment would be Rupees 65,000 with a loss of minus 35%. And if invested 1 year ago, value of your investment would be Rupees 72,000 with a loss of minus 28%. And if invested 3 years ago, value of your investment would be Rupees 208,000 with a gain of 108%. And if invested 5 years ago, value of your investment would be Rupees 1,145,000 with a gain of 1,045%. Gufic Biosciences Limited. Gufic Biosciences Limited started its plant biotechnology operation 3 years ago to produce and supply the high-yielding and elite planting material of medicinal and other herbal plants using tissue culture techniques. The first biotechnology product was BIXA, a source of natural food color, for which the company has buyback arrangement with the farmers.
The shareholding in the company. Its promoter holds 66% shares in the company. Non-financial institutions holds 25% shares in the company. Mutual fund holds 7% shares in the company. And remaining by others. Dividend history. In the year 2015 dividend declared at 5%. In the year 2016 dividend declared at 5%. In the year 2017 dividend declared at 5%. Share price valuation of the company. Below 27 attractive. Between 28 to 57 fair. Above 104 expensive.
Returns on investment. Suppose if you had invested in the company Rupees 1 lakh 6 months ago, value of your investment would be rupees 99,000 with a loss of -1%. And if invested 1 year ago, value of your investment would be rupees 172,000 with a gain of 72%. And if invested 3 years ago, value of your investment would be rupees 791,000 with a gain of 691%. And if invested 5 years ago, value of your investment would be rupees 2,305,000 with a gain of 2,205%. Medicomen Biotech Limited. Established in 1993. Medicomen today represents a family with a long tradition in the development and manufacture of quality pharmaceuticals for the service of ailing masses through medical fraternity to accomplish minimization of human misery. Medicomen has 2 finished formulation plants, one at Bhiwadi, Rajasthan, and other at Haridwar, UK. Medicomen is an active member of Confederation of Indian Industries (KI), Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry (FICCI), Indian Drug Manufacturers Association (IDMA), and Federation of Indian Export Organization (FIEO). Its team comprises 48 qualified industrial pharmacists, 19 quality assurance pharmacists, and more than 100 technicians and workers working in a very conducive environment. Medicomen Biotech Limited manufacture tablets, capsules, oral liquids, dry syrups, ointments and oils.
The shareholding in the company. Its promoter holds 45% shares in the company. Non-financial institutions holds 54% shares in the company. And remaining by others. Dividend history. In the year 2015 no dividend declared. In the year 2016 no dividend declared. In the year 2017 dividend declared at 10%. Share price valuation of the company. Below 137 attractive. Between 141 to 245 fair. Above 302 expensive.
Returns on investment. Suppose if you had invested in the company rupees 1 lakh 6 months ago, value of your investment would be rupees 76,000 with a loss of -24%. And if invested 1 year ago, value of your investment would be rupees 84,000 with a loss of -16%. And if invested 3 years ago, value of your investment would be rupees 2,943,000 with a gain of 2,843%. And if invested 5 years ago, value of your investment would be rupees 5,960,000 with a gain of 5,860%. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. You can leave your comments, feedback and suggestions down below. You can also connect with us on Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description.